Hey, bread lovers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of everyone's favorite carb. That's right, we're talking about bread. But this isn't just any old story. We're going on a journey through time, from the dawn of civilization to the artisanal bakeries of today. So grab a slice and let's get this bread story started. Picture this. It's 10,000 BCE, and our ancestors have just figured out that those annoying weeds, wild grains, are actually pretty tasty when ground up and mixed with water. But here's the cool part. Legend has it that someone accidentally left this mixture out and it started to ferment. The result? The world's first sourdough. Talk about a happy accident. Fast forward to ancient Egypt, where bread wasn't just food, it was currency. That's right, pyramid workers were paid in loaves. Talk about bringing home the bread. The Egyptians were bread pioneers, creating over 30 types of bread. They even had a hieroglyph for bread. It was that important. Now, let's hop over to medieval Europe. Here, bread was more than just sustenance. It was a status symbol. The darker your bread, the poorer you were. White bread? That was for the elite. So next time you choose whole grain, remember, you're eating like a medieval peasant, but in the best way possible. But everything changed with the Industrial Revolution. Suddenly, we had machines that could knead dough and ovens that could bake hundreds of loaves at once. Bread became cheaper and more accessible than ever before. But some argue we lost something in the process, the art of bread making, which brings us to today. We're seeing a renaissance of artisanal bread making. Sourdough starters are Instagram stars, and words like crumb and hydration are part of everyday conversation for bread enthusiasts. From ancient grains to gluten-free alternatives, bread continues to evolve. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring love affair with this simple yet magical food. So next time you bite into a slice of bread, remember you're not just eating a snack. You're taking part in a story that's been thousands of years in the making. If you enjoyed this journey through bread history, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more food adventures. And hey, why not share your favorite bread in the comments? Let's get this conversation rolling. Like a good dough,